Welcome to the Sociological Abstract tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn the scope and coverage of Sociological Abstract, how to access it from the library's homepage, how to use its advanced search mode, and how to refine search results. Let's start with scope and coverage. Sociological Abstract covers the international literature of sociology, social work, and related disciplines in the social and behavioral sciences. This includes major sociological subjects such as family and marriage, race and ethnicity, social policy, social services, social structure, social works, and other sociological subjects. Sociological Abstract provide abstracting and indexing of articles from more than 2,000 journals. It covers articles from 1952 to current day. Sociological Abstract is not a full-text database, but many records provide a full-text link. The primary source of Sociological Abstract is journals, but it also contains book chapters, dissertations, conference papers, and more. This makes it an ideal source for graduate students who need to review dissertations and conference papers to keep up with the current research trends. To understand the scope of the database, it is helpful to compare with other similar databases. Let's compare it with SocIndex, another sociological database. Both the Sociological Abstract and SocIndex are sociology-specific databases, so sociologists will benefit from both of them. In general, Sociological Abstract will return more academic content than SocIndex. How about JSTOR, a database used by many sociologists? The main difference is focus. Sociological Abstract is specifically for sociological research. On the other hand, JSTOR is multidisciplinary and covers a wide range of subject areas including the humanities and natural sciences, as well as social sciences. Let's talk about how to access the database. Sociological Abstract is a paid database, so you need to access it from the library's homepage. Go to library.gmu.edu. From the homepage, click on the Databases tab. This will lead you to the Database A to Z page. If you're not familiar with the sociology databases, you may want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the A to Z list. Click S to find Sociological Abstract. After you find the Sociological Abstract, browse databases above and below to review what other databases start with sociological or social. You may find many new databases this way. You can also find the database by typing the name of database directly in the search box. When using a database, make sure that you see the Mason name. Otherwise, you're not logged on as a Mason user and won't be able to see a full-text link. We will now talk about advanced search mode. The homepage defaults to basic search, which has a single search box with not many functionalities. Let's switch to advanced search. The advanced search mode has two components. First, you will see two or more search boxes. Second, you will see options to define or limit search. We'll focus on search boxes to start and talk about filters later after we run an initial search. The search box is paired with another box. With the second box, you can control where the terms will appear. Click the arrow sign to find options. You will find many fields in which you can specify your search terms appear. This is called an indexing service. It is provided by the database company to help you search. By using these fields, you can find the more relevant record. Let's try a search. Let's say you are interested in what factors influence attitude toward abortion among Americans. For this search, the first keyword will be abortion. The second keyword will be attitude. You need another row to add factors. Click the plus sign to add a row. I will OR it with inference. Click search. Here are the search results showing more than 11,000 records. That's too many and we'll need to refine. But let's first pay attention to the browse page. If you look at the search box, you find that the database added parentheses. The database will treat words inside parentheses as one unit. Next, let's look at the record. The search terms are highlighted. The record also provides snippets of full text, so that you can quickly understand the context of your search terms in the record. Now let's talk about how to define search result. Filters provide a great way to define result. Most databases provide them in the left side column. Another way is to modify the search query itself. We have over 11,000 results, so it will be better to modify the search query first. To do so, click Modify Search. Let's change the field from Anywhere to Abstract. This means the search terms should only appear in abstract, which will make the search more targeted. Second, let's limit to peer-reviewed. Since we have over 11,000 results, we will still get enough even after limiting to peer-reviewed. For publication date, let's limit to after 2000. Let's see how the modified search changed the search result. The new search query has significantly refined the search. We now have only approximately 200. Let's browse other filters. Let's check out the publication date. Click the arrow sign. Click More to see the full list of journal titles. A new window will open and provide a list of journals with number of articles published in each journal. Selecting the journals helps you focus the search result. For example, if you are interested in how religion influences people's attitude toward abortion, you may want to read what's published in a journal about religion. This has been a brief overview of Sociological Abstracts, a major database on sociological research. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please contact the library for help.